Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be taking you to the walking tour of Venice train station in Italy, and this is the train I have reached from Milan and Milan to Venice in Italy. So this was the train, very beautiful train, and it was a high-speed train and it took around 2.5 hours. So it is very hot day today, and this is the train. You can see that. So I'm in Venice in Italy, and this is the front of the train. So I need to pay 26 euros per person as reservation fee, even though I was traveling on my Eurorail pass. So we are going to reach train station because Venice in Italy is on an island, so we are going on a railway bridge and we are crossing the sea, and you can see the beauty, very nice beautiful sea outside, and on the right side you can see the beautiful palace in Italy, and I will be putting a separate video on that one also on my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and you will find many more video on Europe tour on my YouTube channel. So we are approaching the train station in Italy, Venice in Italy. So these are the ticket vending machines at the train station. So if you need to book your return ticket, so you can do that. The train station is good but not that impressive, so I'm going outside the train station. So you can reach this train station either by train or either by water, boat or any ferry, and because there is no access by road, so you can't come here by taxi or bus or anything. So see, I'm outside now from this train station, and so if you have to go to any hotel or anything, you can catch the ferry, or either you can walk also, because sometimes the hotels are very close, so you can walk also. Sometimes people can catch a water taxi also, but it takes you around 100 to 150 euros depending upon time and situation, because people, they overcharge you. You have to be very careful and do some kind of negotiations also to save the money. If your hotel is closed, you can hire the manual porter also.